welcome back to the channel. So this afternoon we're going to be unloading this grain bin. We got one truck coming, we're going to unload, and we're not going to have to scoop out the grain bin, but we're going to have another truck coming tonight, and we're going to have to scoop inside the grain bin. So yeah, just going to take you guys along for getting these trucks loaded. Okay, so we got the first truck loaded, and he's gonna go down to the elevator just to get a weight so we know what we have on the truck. And then sometime tonight the second truck is gonna come, and we're gonna have to put the sweep auger in, because we didn't do that yet because it's not quite empty enough to put the sweep auger in. So we're gonna have to put the sweep auger in, put the motor on the sweep auger, and then we'll have to keep unloading the bin. I don't know if we'll get all this corn that's in the bin now onto the second truck. I'm just not sure. So we'll see when that time comes. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and we did not end up loading last night because there was just a miscommunication. The trucker didn't come back because the broker thought we had all 5 loads we needed. Well, we needed 5,000 bushels hauled, but they thought that was 5 trucks. So we needed 6 trucks, not 5. So we got one today, and we're gonna start loading. But we gotta put the sweep auger in since we did not do that yesterday. And then we're gonna have to just get set up, get the sweep auger, the motor, everything else put in the bin, then we can start unloading. We got the semi loaded, and we're going to go down to the grain elevator, and we're going to see how much grain he has on him, how much the semi weighs. We put the seals on, so if, say, he's parked at a truck stop overnight, people don't open it up and take our grain. So we got to seal them up, and also the company that we're selling the grain to, they just want it sealed so we can verify that nothing was changed over. It's the exact same grain as was loaded on the farm. Okay, so now we got that semi-loaded, and this is going to be the last load of corn for a while. So we're going to take the tractor down to the other farm, and then just pull it behind the truck, pull it down to the other farm, and put it in the shed, since we have nowhere to store it. So that's what we're going to go do now. Okay guys, so we got the tractor put away in the shed at the other farm. We got the corn hauled that we're gonna get hauled, and there's still some more corn over there, and then there's still some more crops in the bins here. but we're not sure when that's going to be hauled, so we just have to wait until the buyer contacts us. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe right down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.